What's up everyone? Today we're going to be making soft homemade pretzels with my dad.
Hey Charlotte, and we made these before, right?
Yes, we have.
They're so good, and I'm really excited you're going to share them with your viewers.
Yep. All right, let's get to the dough.
In a large bowl, we're going to pour in our warm water,
Sugar,
and salt. Give it a nice whisk.
Now we're going to sprinkle over our active dry yeast and let it bloom for 5 minutes.
Once the yeast is done blooming, we add our flour.
And oil. Now give it a nice mix.
Once it becomes a shaggy dough like this, make it into a ball.
Going to grease your bowl. Cover with a towel or plastic wrap and let it be in a warm place for an hour. Can we stop for a second and just take a minute to look how beautiful this came out? Okay, now flip it over.
Now cut it into 8 pieces.
Gonna gently flour it.
Put it down and roll it out. And once you have it rolled out, just make it into a pretzel shape.
Over a large pot of water, we're going to put in baking soda. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna put your pretzel in. 30 seconds on each side. Now we're gonna do an egg wash. I'm actually doing better because my grandpa has an egg allergy. And put a generous amount of salt. We're using coarse salt because it's bigger chunks of salt. Now time to bake at 450 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, time to eat.
This tastes like a Wetzel pretzel or an Annie Ann pretzel. This is amazing.
I think that is a wrap for today's video. Please don't forget like, subscribe, and go check out my cake video if you haven't already. All right, bye.